crispy chicken circles.
Two 250 grams of chicken pieces, 1 tablespoon of chopped onion, carrot, capsicum, coriander and 1 diced potato, 1 chopped tomato and green chili, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of chaat masala, and salt, as per taste. 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour maida, 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce, and 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. Heat pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add chopped onion. Stir fry. Add diced potato. Fry on medium flame. Add chopped carrot. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add chicken pieces. Mix and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Add turmeric and black pepper powder. Add chopped tomato and green chili. Add chopped capsicum. Sauté them for a few minutes. Add salt and chaat masala. Give a mix. Add all-purpose flour maida. Give a nice mix. Add soya and red chili sauce. Add a dash of water and mix well. Add chopped coriander leaves. Give a mix and turn off flame. Cover and keep aside. For making dough, take 2 cups of maida all-purpose flour. Salt as per taste. 1 tablespoon of melted ghee. Take a mixing bowl and add maida. Add salt. Add melted ghee. Mix and combine well. Gradually add water and prepare dough. Soft dough is done. Make small dough balls. Dough balls are ready. Apply some flour to dough ball and roll. Take a glass and cut into small circles. Remove sides. Place 1 teaspoon of chicken filling in center. Apply water to corners. Apply water to other sickle corners. And give cuts in center. Place it on chicken and press to seal circle. Circle is sealed properly. Prepare remaining circles in the same way. Chicken circles are ready for frying. Heat oil and fry them on medium flame. Fry until they turn into golden brown. Flip and fry on other side. Chicken circles are fried well. Remove them. Chicken circles are done. Crispy and tasty chicken circles are ready to serve. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.